Hi, I'm Himashri from Team 19 of SER517. So our project is website application for co-living. This is how our Tiger board looks for Sprint 6. So we have a user story that says security to access information of user. So it has 4 tasks. So this means that the user can log in to the website according to their role. So there will be 3 roles, that is the admin, landlord, and tenant. So when you give the landlord's credentials, it will let you sign into the website where these are all the options for the landlord, where you can see the properties, payments, agreements, and the maintenance. And then we can log out. And then when we log into the tenant account, you can see the name of the tenant. And this is how the tenant's page looks like, where he can add a maintenance request or task. So, and the third is the admin. So when we log into the admin, these are how the options look like for all the properties. Requests that the tenant raised can be viewed by the admin, and all the information that can be added. So for the tasks, able to log into each user page based on the role of the user was done by Himashri. And wrong credentials would be identified. That is a feature that was done by Supreet. So when we enter a wrong username or a wrong password, it throws an error. The password management feature was implemented by Rajshri, and the account to secure all the data that goes into the username and the password fields was done by Basant. So this is how the user story was implemented. And moving on to the next one is the recurring tasks upon adding new tasks to roommates. So this user story has 4 tasks, which is display of same task each week. That is, we can select a task weekly, and every week you can see the same task that was implemented by Himashri. Automatic update of recurring tasks on a scheduled basis that was implemented by Rajshri. These are 2 still in progress that we yet have to deploy it. Finished task will be deleted that was implemented by Supreet. And after updating, the status of the task can be changed. That was done by Basant. So this is how it looks in the working software. So these are all the tasks, and when we view a task or add a task, we can choose occurrence here. So when we choose a task and then we choose an occurrence, we have all the options. So when we select bi-weekly, we can see the task twice a week, and then weekly and monthly. And so this is how it looks like with all the frequency and the days. And then when you delete a task, it gets deleted. Moving on to the next user story. Add and view new tasks is this very feature where we can add and new tasks. So a form component was created and implemented for the input fields by Himashri. So this was a pending user story from sprint 5. So this we have completed in this sprint. So go into the website. So here we have all the tasks. Can you go back one page? So here we have all the add and view options, where add will give all the input fields and view can let you view all the tasks that have been already added. And moving on to the next user story. is implementing mark is done feature. We have completed the code for this task and yet to deploy it functionally into the software. So we have 4 tasks here also. Task should be moved to completed column. So after you mark a task as it is done, it will be moved into another column which says all the done tasks. This was done by Himashri. Rajdi has implemented the feature where it is going to reflect on the page after it is marked done. Backend connections were implemented by Supreet, and updating the marked tasks to other tenants' pages has been implemented by Basant. So this is how the page looks like. After we mark it as done, it will move into another page that is yet to be deployed. So these are all the user stories that we've implemented. And coming to the business value, we have completed 74% of the sprint. We have yet to complete 2 tasks, which are almost done. And the mark is done has to be like deployed into the website. And this is how the burn down chart looks at the end of the sprint. So yeah, thank you.